If you ever wanted a front row view of thousands of beluga whales, now's your chance. From July 15th to early September, people around the world can enjoy Beluga Whale Live Cam to get an underwater glimpse of the annual migration of more than 57,000 beluga whales as they swim down from the Arctic to the warmer waters near northern Manitoba of Canada. Two conservation organizations, Polar Bears International and Explore.org, just officially launched the live beluga feed for the 8th consecutive year. According to Stephen Petersen, Director of Conservation and Research at Assiniboine Park Conservancy, this livestream tells us about the health and number of whales, noting that the Arctic ecosystem is an incredible place while so much is happening and so much is changing. The main cameras will be set up where the Churchill River meets Hudson Bay. The feed flips between two cameras, one above the water surface and the other beneath it. Both are also outfitted with microphones. During the summer months, about 2/3 of the world's beluga population travel here. The live streaming event is timed for Arctic Sea Ice Day, which was created by the non-profit organization Polar Bears International to draw attention to the rapid ice melting taking place in the Arctic, which threatens to raise sea levels across the world. The conservation groups are really interested in how this ecosystem is changing over time and with changes in sea ice, and the first step is knowing what's out there. The decline in sea ice has meant that beluga whales have been forced to dive deeper and longer to find food. Many conservation groups have rigged up a series of cameras, including one on the deck of a ship, thanks in part to Explore.org, which bills itself the world's largest nature live streaming network. As people from all over the world enjoy watching whales on their devices, thousands of scientists are also using the camera footage to learn more about beluga whales, the ecosystem, and to discover other new species such as jellyfish.